Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about repeat sentences. Repeat sentence is one of the main topic which contributes a lot to your listening as well as speaking section. Repeat sentences, it should be as accurate as possible to the original audio to score maximum marks. It contributes points to listening as 23% and speaking as 30%. So coming to the main facts about repeat sentence techniques. First is be confident. For example, the audio is like there should be a complete report, and you are repeating that as there should be a complete report. So here there should be no stammering or hesitation in your voice. You should be confident. Your answer should be perfect like this. There should be a complete report. Now next tip is that no repeating of misspoken words. For example, I have taken condenser. Oops, I mean computer. If you have said that, no problem, move ahead. There is no point in rectifying it, because if you try to rectify that, you will definitely lose marks in your fluency and pronunciation as well as your content. No addition of words. Do not try to add any word which is not present in the audio. For every addition of word, you might get a penalty. For example, audio has there are lots of vegetables on the table. Your response is there are lots of green vegetables on the table. Here green is an addition of word which was not required in the audio, so you will lose marks. Then there is another tip, no deletion of words. Do not delete any words. For every deletion of words you might get a penalty. For example, the audio has there are lots of vegetables on the table. Your response is there are lots of vegetables. Here you have skipped on the table, so you will lose marks. Do not add any fillers. Do not add any kind of fillers to improve your fluency or pronunciation. These days, PTE AI is developing a lot and it is easily identifying those mistakes. When it converts your voice to text and tries to match it with the audio converted text, it will give you 0 marks for your listening because you have added unnecessary content which was not present in the audio, and you will get reduced scores in repeat sentences. Fillers like "I am feeling happy", "I am feeling good", "Thank you for listening" are not needed to be added. Do not change order of the words. Do not speak as you like and think that you might get good marks. For example, audio is like there are lots of vegetables on the table. Your response is vegetables are there on the tables lots of. Since you have changed the order, even though you have covered all the words, but you still lose your marks. For perfect scores, repeat at least 70% of the content. For example, audio has there are lots of vegetables on the table which needs to be cut. Your response should be at least 70% like this. There are lots of vegetables on the table. No need to repeat the complete sentence accurately. For 12 to 14 words, 7 to 8 words is more than enough to repeat. Focus on singular and plural words. Try to be accurate in your pronunciation for singular and plural words. For example, audio has there are lots of vegetables on the table. Your response is like there are lots of vegetable on the tables. Wrong. You will lose your marks here because you are using are here. It refers to plural, so it should be vegetables, not vegetable. If you are talking about singular, then it should be like there is a vegetable on the table. Focus on pronunciation. Keep your pronunciation clear so that you are easily recognized and you can get good marks. Focus on content. If your pronunciation is clear, your audio can be easily recognized and this will help you in getting your content scores improved. Do not immediately click next. Once you have recorded your response for repeat sentences, give a slight time gap before you click next so that your last words of the audio are properly recorded. People who tend to immediately click next after their last words Usually their last words are recorded incompletely, and hence their voice gets abruptly cut in the end, due to which their speaking or listening scores might get reduced. So give a slight pause of 0.5 seconds after last word, then click next. Do not be silent. Do not be silent for any speaking task for more than 3 seconds, otherwise that task will not be scored. Let's do a few exercises here so that we can understand whether we are able to do it correctly or not.
A study skill seminar is on for the students who require assistance.
A study skills seminar is on for the students who require assistance.
Would you pass me the textbook on that table?
Would you pass me the textbook on that table?
The investigation aims to find the stand of the problem.
The investigation aims to find the stand of the problem. That's it for today's section. I hope this has helped you a lot in resolving your queries to help you better understand the repeat sentence task of PTE. Kindly let me know in comments if you want to know about anything further.